back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I am excited because, as you can see from the description below, today we do have our May 2019 Target Beauty Box. I love these boxes. They are always so fun and so worth the money. They're only $7 a month, and you definitely receive more than that value, I believe, every month. And I also like it. It's not a subscription. You do actually go in every month and order this box, and you can see what's going to be in it. So, you know, if there's a month where you're like, I don't know if I'm really feeling that, you don't have to get it. But I usually pick it up every month. Some months there are more than one boxes. This month for May, there was only one. Last month for April, there were 2 initially online. There were 3 in store, and then they ended up adding those 3 in-store boxes to the website. So there was actually a total of 5. Those 5 are actually still available. The May box is sold out from what it looks like. It is no longer online listed. But again, it's only $7, and you get to try some really great products, and sometimes they're full size, but usually they're travel or deluxe size sample, which is fine because you get a taste of what the product is, and it's just a great box. So I am going to get this one open. I am super excited. I think the box this month is so cute. The purple is so cute. They always have such cute designs, and I love that. So again, this is the May 2019 Target Beauty Box. So let's dive in and see what we got. So we take it off, and here is what we see. There's always a card, and it tells you about the items on the back, and as well it gives you a coupon every month for $3 off a beauty purchase in-store or online of $15 or more. So if you use that, if you like some of the products and you want to get the full size, use that. That kind of makes your box only like $4, which is great. So we will reference this when we need to, but I'm going to read the front to you. It says, Festival Beauty Headliners. Coachella, EDC, Governor's Ball, festival season is finally here. To help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show. Awesome. So then this is what we see. Some nice tissue paper, some blue tissue paper. And then this is what we see when we open the box. Yay! I do also, like I said, because you can see everything that comes in your box, I do also try to, whatever this box does release every month, try to post on my community tab to let you guys know if you want to pick it up. And I think I'm missing a product. I'll get to that in a minute. That's odd. That's never happened. Sorry, that threw me off. But I definitely think, you know, it's well worth it because you usually receive 5, 6, 7 items. So if you really think about it, you're paying like $1, maybe just over $1 per item, which is fantastic because they're not, you know, unknown brands. They're brands you're going to know, and the products are always great. So let's just get to it. And first product I'm pulling out, and I love this. This is the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh. This is in Cool Essentials. It is a 48-hour antiperspirant. So I love the Dove Dry Spray shampoo, or not dry spray. Not that. Deodorant. The Dove Dry Spray deodorant. I also like the Degree Dry Spray deodorant. They're just my favorites. And so we have that little guy. And what does it say? Dry antiperspirant, goes on instantly dry, leaves underarms feeling soft and smooth. It's a deodorant. Now, this, I love that Target tapes anything that is liquid or could leak with this tape, and this tape One thing I also really like about it, it prevents those spills, but it comes off very easily and it doesn't leave any sticky residue on the actual product. So that's awesome. All right, so this is from Hawaiian Tropic. Antioxidant Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. Help prevent skin damage and skin aging from the sun. It says with green tea extract, good for face and body. SPF 30 broad spectrum. This is what it looks like. This is interesting. Oil-free, weightless, and moisturizing sunscreen mist is formulated with age-proofing antioxidant and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. I'm trying to see, because it says it's a mist and you can use it on your face. So I'm trying to see if this is something that you can literally just like spritz on your face and go, you know, or, if you're out and about, kind of touch it up if you're in the sun more than you expected, or if this is something that still needs to like be rubbed in. If used as directed with other sun protection measures. Let me see. It says open here. Because now it's got me curious. I want to know if it's something that has to actually be like rubbed in, or if it's just a mist for your face. Because if that's the case, that's awesome. All right. Hold container 4 to 6 inches. Do not spray directly into face. Apply on hand and then apply to face. Apply 15 minutes. Okay, so this is saying not to apply it directly to your face. But, I mean, I still think it's good for... It actually doesn't have that, like, strong sunscreen smell, which is awesome. But it's still fantastic. I will still use this for sure. This is something great to keep in my purse, especially, like, with summertime coming up. And if we go to the park or something like that, I can spritz Christopher down and be on our way. So, yay. All right, so next we have something from SGX NYC, Salon Graphics, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. Packaging is pretty. Three-in-1 formula texturizes, amplifies and refreshes hair, instantly absorbing oil so day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. Hint for added fullness, spray head upside down. That sounds interesting. So I love dry shampoo. And I don't really use hairspray that, like you would in the 80s. But I do sometimes use hairspray with the way that I really need to get my hair done. With the way I kind of flip my bangs or whatever over, sometimes I will spritz it, just to kind of hold it. So if this is something that can do that and refresh my hair, yeah, that's a win. All right. Then we have from Mask Bar, a holographic foil peel-off mask. It says this holographic peel-off mask helps to revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. It has collagen, eucalyptus extract, and grapefruit extract. So this is that. It is really pretty. Holographic. This I'm going to stick in a giveaway because peel off mask and I just don't get along. They hurt me. So one of you guys can try this. I do love face masks. You know that if you followed me. I love sheet masks. But yeah, peel off mask and I just don't get along. All right, so then we have from Bliss. I love Bliss, and I've actually grown to love Bliss because of the Target Beauty boxes. A Jelly Glow Peel, gentle non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. This is a really good size too. Definitely you would get quite a few uses out of this and know if you enjoy this product. So this gentle jelly peel exfoliates with soft plant-based fibers that act like micro-lint rollers to capture and roll away dry, flaky skin and dirt. No harsh scrubbing needed. Leaves skin smooth, soft, and fresh. Gently massage over damp skin in a circular motion to roll, lift, and sweep away impurities. Rinse thoroughly. Awesome. And I do love Bliss too because it is a cruelty-free brand, so that is awesome. So I'm excited for this guy. And then we have, and there's some loose ones in here. Sincerely Jules by Scootsie. I think that's how you say it. Scootsie. I'm not sure. But it's these guys right here. And then there were this one, and then this one, which is actually really cute right there. Sincerely Jules assorted jewelry hair rings. Loop through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high pony for a festival-ready look. For festival-ready locks in a blink. Simply weave into sections of hair, then secure with a spritz or two of hairspray. I'm probably going to go ahead and say those will probably end up in a giveaway just because I don't see myself using them, just to be honest, because I just don't. And that was everything in my Target Beauty box. Now, I am missing, and this has never happened, this is why I was caught off guard at the beginning of the video. I am missing the Sinful Colors nail polish in Azul. It's like a blue, I do remember seeing it when I ordered, but it's not in here. I've never had that happen. As many months as I have been getting the Target Beauty box, I have never had a product not in my box. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but I still think overall this was a fantastic box. $7, you can't beat it. I'm super pumped for the Bliss peel. And this I'm actually really excited for, the dry shampoo, hairspray, whatever combo. This is one of my favorite deodorants. The sunscreen, I'm super pumped for. The mask, like I said, I'm going to put it into a giveaway, and I'll probably put these little hair jewel things to a giveaway as well, just because I know I won't use them. So let me know what you think of the May 2019 Target Beauty Box. Again, I think it was a fantastic box, even if I was missing a product. And it's just one that never disappoints. So I do always try to pick these up. And like I said, leave in the community tab when they are available. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, we do have the Luxury Divas giveaway going on. I will link that down below. If you are new, please consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you. And as always, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.